The drawing and editing tools of the Map Suite iOS edition allow users to draw a variety of new shapes on the map and to edit existing features. For example, a user may want to trace the outlines of buildings or other objects from aerial imagery to create and save new polygon features in vector format. Creating vector features from imagery converts them from colored pixels embedded in a grid to discrete individual features that can then be queried and analyzed with mapping software. At the bottom of the screen in the instruction panel, you'll see a set of tools. The hand tool is used to pan and zoom the map. The point, line, rectangle, and so on are the drawing tools. The box with the pencil inside is the edit tool, and the trash can is the delete tool. First, let's look at the drawing tools. You can use these tools to draw points, lines, rectangles, circles, polygons, or ellipses. To do this, simply tap the tool, then tap the location on the map where you'd like to begin drawing. For a point, simply tap on the map. In the case of a line and polygon, tap the location of the next vertex without dragging, and so on, then tap and hold the location of the last vertex. For a rectangle, circle, or ellipse, tap and drag on the map. Now let's look at the Edit tool. Select the box icon with the pencil inside of it, which is the Edit tool. The features will now have tiny white circles around their edges. This confirms that edit mode has been entered. The white circles are the vertices on which the shape is based. Move these vertices to adjust a feature's shape. On a line or polygon feature, it is also possible to tap on the line or border of the shape to add a new point. In the middle of each shape is a move icon that can be tapped and held to move the shape. To the bottom left of each shape is an icon that can be tapped and held to resize the shape. To the bottom right of each shape is an icon that can be tapped and held to rotate the shape. Now let's look at the Delete tool. Tap on the Trash Can tool to delete all shapes entirely. Now let's look at the code. Main.cs is the entry point of the application. App Delegate listens to and responds to iOS events. Now typically the storyboards here will handle UI, but this app has main view controller setting the UI. So let's look at that. Here in main view controller, view did load initializes the map with the world map kit. Initialize instruction right here sets up the instruction toolbar at the bottom of the screen. And you can see here are the different buttons that it's setting up. Then track button click right here handles the drawing and editing of each of the shapes. You can see there's a case for the different buttons and what will happen when you tap them, including clear, which is the delete button. And here's edit as well, in addition to all the shapes. Well, that concludes the Map Suite iOS drawing and editing learning sample.